Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. If you are looking to give your TV sound a serious upgrade without taking over your entire living room, the LG SQM1 is a great option to consider. This soundbar proves that good things really do come in small packages. It features a stylish, compact design that sits neatly below most TV screens, blends seamlessly into your setup rather than sticking out. Don't let the size fool you. This gear delivers rich, clear stereo sound powered by 40 watts of output, which breathes new life into your favorite movies, shows, and games. It works with your existing LG TV gear. You can control the soundbar using your compatible TV's remote, which helps clear clutter of having multiple remotes on your coffee tables. Connection basics are fully covered too. You get a solid high quality connection to your TV using optical input plus Bluetooth connectivity for streaming music, podcasts, and more straight from your smartphone. It also includes a USB port and 3.5mm line in for additional flexibility with Dolby sound technology on board. The LG SQM1 operates with a built-in active amplifier and has an auto power off feature to save energy when not in use. The package includes a remote control, 2 AAA batteries, and a user manual with speaker bar dimension of height 7.9, width 65, and diameter 9.4 centimeter, and a weight of just 1.99 kg. It is a breeze to position anywhere. We are going to unbox this gear, connect it to my smartphone, and test the audio. This is the information pack and battery, AAA batteries. This is the remote control. And the cable is attached to the soundbar. This is what it looks like. Connect this to the power and the ports. So you have optical and port in. This is for service. So the front is metal, the top is plastic. So take the battery. So this is the remote control. Put the remote up this way. Then on the right side, positive goes to the top, negative on the bottom. On the left side, negative on the top, positive on the bottom. Then put the cover. So you switch the soundbar on and off from this button. This button is standard, this button is mute, this button is bass blast, DCR on and DCR off. The volume increase and volume minus, volume control. This button is for you to select optical. This button is for you to select port in. This button is for you to select Bluetooth. So to set this gear up, switch the soundbar on, switch Bluetooth on. The Bluetooth is alerting. The next thing to do is, depending on the device you want to use, go to your phone settings, go to connections, switch Bluetooth on. Once you switch Bluetooth on, then select on Bluetooth. Then look from the list, LG SQM1DD. Select on it, LG SQM1DD. Bluetooth pairing request, select pair. Connected for audio. So this is connected, and if you look on the soundbar, it show you steady Bluetooth. We're going to test the audio. Thank you very much indeed. This gear deserves your attention. LG SQM1 is a 2.0 channel soundbar